What you're gonna need is stock cubes, potatoes, carrots, onions, and minced meat. Let's cook this Liverpool Scouce. First we peel the potatoes. Add the water to the pan. And cut those potatoes to little chunks. Add them to the boiling water. Now peel and cut the carrots. Now add them to the pan. Add the oil to the pan. And now the minced meat. Brown off the mince. Sieve off excess fat. Now peel and cut the onion. Scrape in the onion to the minced meat. And now mix it up. Time to add the stock. Now add the minced meat. Add some Paris, and voila, it's done. A fine pan of Scouce. The Scouce are in the team, the Scouce are in the team. Trent Alexander-Arnold, Trent Alexander-Arnold.